What if you could create 3D videos and pattern interrupt videos like these that are 3D in nature, and you can create them for any of your social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Reels, videos, TikToks, LinkedIn, and many more, right? And what if you have hundreds of these templates ready for you right inside a dashboard that you can click some few buttons and be able to ready and make it customized for your own projects. So let's see how ClipsMate AI Demo works, right? So let's click on Customize button. And once you have this template loaded here, you can give your template a name. For example, you can watch the preview of how it is working at the moment, and you can always use the name of this video to customize it. Once you do that, you will be able to go on the next step, which is this entire wizard of steps where you can literally do any kind of switching, whether it's LinkedIn or it's Instagram or it's Facebook. So we have plenty of templates available. On the top of that, you have the different sizes for that, right? So you can either create square video or this video, and you have the ability to change all of the images, right? So here on this option, you can upload either the images from here, or you can search for any images from here, right? Once you have the image selected, you can also use the cropper to crop your image, and then also change this username to change it with anything, for example demo user, and you can even change the profile pic of this, correct? So you can select the size of this and then click done. So it is changed, and you can also change all of the content here that is displayed. Plus you can change how many people already like this, right? So let's say 12.5k people have reactions on your videos, and you can say likes, right? And you can also change this, all of this text. So basically, once you are done with this step, if you don't like to use it for Facebook, you can always switch back, and all of the things and the content is retained, right? So let's create it for Facebook for this video. And you also have a dark mode, right? So now click on the next, and on this step, once this preview is generated, you will have plenty of animations on your right that you can implement on this. And you have the keyword search for the animations here, plus lots of categories where you can find animations from different categories over here, right? So let's go to the funny category, okay, where you have lots of these animations here, and you can use any of the other animations as well, right? So it all depends on what you are liking and looking forward, right? So you can put up any kind of animations over here, like this one, okay? And on the next step, you have the option to add music. So right now you have the option to upload the music, right? So you can upload any of the sounds that you have on your computer, and very soon we are also releasing a feature that will allow you to search for the voices and the music right inside the dashboard and select it, right? Now you click on the next and start rendering button, and it will process your video, right? So the video processing takes like 1 to 2 minutes. After that, the video will be ready. So let's say all these videos are ready, and I'm going to show you some of these videos. As you can see here, we have created many different types of videos, and all of these videos are rendered using ClipsMate AI system. So look at the Santa video, for example. or the Cyber Monday sale video. So guys, you can literally create crazy videos using ClipsMate AI just with the clicks of a few buttons, right? And this is the video that we just rendered. So look at this video, right? So that's the video we just created. Now you can simply download this video from this option here and go on to save this video and use this video on your social media to gain maximum engagement and attention, right? So that's how you use this tool. And we have different modes here as well. So you can create scroll stoppers, you can create posts for your social media. You go here on this button. So we have three categories here. One is social post video, another is scroll stoppers, and another is story and reels. So if you are fan of TikTok videos or 9:16 story videos, Instagram reels, Facebook stories, YouTube shorts, then this is the category for you. If you want to showcase your product like a scroll stopper, then this is the category that you need to pick. Otherwise, for most cases like ads and things, you can use social post video, right? Here also it's the same thing. You need to first select a template. After that you have two modes. One is the normal post and another one is the split post. So let's go for the normal post. Here you can select your own image and then you can start writing your text and follow all the steps that we have shown earlier, right? So for example, this is the post that has just been previewed and rendered. Now you can upload
Hej, jeg
this.
hedder Thomas, og jeg er ekspert i flisirens og algebehandling. Hej, jeg hedder Thomas, og jeg...
Or this siren. Then you can click on the next step and click on start rendering to create your own videos. So for this demo, thank you for watching. We will cover the rest of the tool inside the other videos. Thank you so much.